Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot pepper sauce with vinegar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh hot peppers, like habaneros or jalapenos, depending on your heat preference. Also, have 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and any optional aromatics such as a few cloves of garlic. Make sure your bottles are clean and ready for bottling later. Next, prepare your peppers. Wash them thoroughly and chop them roughly. If you prefer a milder sauce, remove some or all of the seeds and membranes. Transfer the chopped peppers to a blender, adding the 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend the mixture until it reaches your desired consistency. Some like it chunky, while others prefer a very smooth sauce. Now it's time to cook your sauce. Pour the blended pepper mixture into a saucepan. Bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Let the sauce simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This simmering step is crucial for developing the flavors and allowing the sauce to thicken slightly, creating a richer taste. Finally, finish and bottle your hot sauce. For a smoother sauce, strain the cooked mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing the solids to extract all the liquid. If you prefer a thicker, pulpier sauce, you can skip this step. Carefully pour the hot sauce into your sterilized bottles, leaving a small headspace. Seal the bottles tightly, and your homemade hot pepper sauce is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.